Working from home means that we tend to dive into the unhealthy, but also good sugary junk food. Hey, can we cut that part? But with all seriousness, I'm here to promote 5 healthy lifestyle tips for those working from home. We should remember that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as it boosts your energy levels and alertness. Overall, we should choose healthy meals with more protein and fiber with less sugar and calories. Choose a great meal and eat your way into the world of healthiness. Drink water regularly to stay healthy and to prevent dehydration. Dehydration can cause unclear thinking and mood changes. And we all know what mood changes mean. It's like rock climbing, full of ups and downs. And we don't want that. Furthermore, it can cause your body to overheat and make your skin look dry and wrinkled. It's important to get enough sleep, especially after a very productive day at your home office.
Yeah, right.
We recommend at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. So, get your beauty sleep in and conquer all obstacles in your way. A good night's rest will allow your body and mind to recharge, leaving you refreshed and ready to take on your daily tasks. There are many benefits of doing exercises. From preventing health problems to stress reduction, the list goes on and on. The second best thing about exercises is that it's completely free, just like applying to JobDoc. You can do a lot of exercises from home, including push-ups, yoga, burpees, and long walks with your dog. I hope I motivated someone today. Go out there and enjoy your exercises. The world is yours. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video and that these tips can help you live a healthy, wonderful life. Well, until next time, the JobDoc team.